Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Me Tutorials. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to bulk delete emails in Gmail, and then I'll show you how to delete every email from one sender and stop future messages too, all in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account. Now, some people might want to delete all their emails by going into the All Mail tab and selecting everything, but I'm not doing that because I have some important emails I want to keep. Instead, I'm focusing on the Promotions tab, since that's where most of the junk ends up. And as you can see, I've got over 6,000 emails there. It's the perfect place to start. I'm going to click the checkbox at the top left to select all the emails showing on the page, usually 50. Then I'll click the blue text that appears. It says Select All Conversations in Promotions. That selects all the emails in this tab in one click. Now I'll click the trash icon and confirm the action. Gmail will now start deleting the emails in the background. This may take a little time depending on how many emails you have. To see the progress, I'm going to click the refresh button at the top of Gmail. Every time I refresh, more emails disappear as Gmail processes the deletion. I'll keep refreshing until the Promotions tab is completely empty. Once it's fully cleared out, I'll head over to the trash folder. All those emails will now be sitting there. If I want to review or restore anything, I can do it from here. And if I'm sure I want to delete everything permanently, I'll click Empty Trash Now and confirm. Now let's move on to deleting all emails from a specific sender. First, I'll right-click on any email from the sender I want to remove and choose Find Emails from this sender. Gmail will now display every email they've ever sent. If you only want to delete their current emails, you can select them by clicking the checkbox at the top. And if the Select All Conversations option appears, click that too. Then hit the trash icon and confirm. But that only handles existing emails. To stop receiving new ones from the same sender, here's what to do. First, open one of their emails and check if there's an unsubscribe link, usually at the top next to their name or at the bottom of the message. Click that to stop future mailings. Now to make sure nothing from them ever hits your inbox again, click the small search options icon in the top search bar, then click Create Filter. In the filter settings, check Delete It and also check Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations, then click Create Filter. This will delete all emails from that sender right away and automatically remove future ones before they even reach your inbox. Gmail might take a moment to complete this depending on how many emails that sender has sent. Once they're removed, head to your trash folder. You'll find them there. If you don't need them anymore, just click Empty Trash Now to wipe everything for good. If you ever want to start receiving emails from that sender again, here's how to undo the filter. Click the settings icon in the top right, then go to See All Settings. Open the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here you'll see a list of all filters you've created. Find the one for the sender you blocked and click Delete next to it. After that, Gmail will start letting their emails through again. And finally, a quick reminder, if you're doing this on your phone, Gmail's mobile app doesn't support bulk delete or filters. You'll need to open the desktop version of Gmail in your browser. I've included a link in the description that shows you how to do that. And that's it. Now you know how to bulk delete thousands of emails, clean out your Promotions tab, block a sender forever, and even undo the filter if you change your mind. If this video helped, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to Guide Me Tutorials for more quick and useful tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.